Hello everyone, it is Lavi here, and I'm gonna be reacting to Friday Night Funkin' Mukbang. Yes, these exist, and they're for kids, and they're just eating the whole time. So, let's go. Okay, anyways, before I throw up, let's play it. Okay. Probably gonna be reacting to like 5 of these, so. There's my man, Lemon Demon. Monster. He's hungry, and they're laughing at him. That's kind of mean. I bet he's telling him to sacrifice themselves. Tell him to sacrifice themselves to. Why is he mesmerized from this? He's mesmerized even though he eats children. He eats children. Why does he? He's mad. Did he just say very good? I can't. No. No, Lemon Deem eats children, not meat and fries. Well, he eats children meat, but not like. Anyways. He has that weird laugh. He's like, very, very. Oh. Very good. And this is what happens when you finish your food. Oh, it's over. So, on to the next video. We have Celeber. Okay, I see what he's eating. He looks pretty good. You can't struggle that much just to eat rice. He's going fast. He's eating, like, a lot. I'm kind of surprised. No, okay. But no utensils? Jeez, Celeber, you're very rude. Or very, I don't know what to call it, but... He is struggling just to eat, like, a few plates of stuff. I could easily finish that. But, oh my god, he's like... He's speedrunning. He's speedrunning this. He, Oh, he ate Showpow. What? Is that possible? He's eating his mother. Okay, I guess that makes sense. One, it looks so bad. I'm gonna like probably throw up or something. Oh, okay. So we got Rube shopping. I don't think he's supposed to be out. He should steal it all. I don't think he should be out because he's a criminal and he doesn't want to get caught, obviously. But just steal it. It's okay. If he pays for it, I'm gonna. Okay, he steals it. That's good. At least it's in character. Wow. That's a lot of candy. I don't like that laugh. No. Sarbs of the sugar rush. Rube's like candy. Can an eyeball be that crunchy? Popping candy. Oh, I see why it's No. 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 He eats in anger. This is what helps him calm down after singing, I guess. Here. That is... Well, wait, a question. Why is Sarv just like... Oh, now she's gone, finally. That is... No. It's... No, okay. Here we go. Oh, we got the big glutton, Witty. Well, he is enjoying that burger, and he's enjoying his onion rings. What is that? Is that like, I don't know. But, okay, he didn't eat the bone. I guess that he throws it too. Yeah. Go get him, Take Man. If he's that impolite with the food, okay, never mind. Okay. I thought he was gonna throw it from long. These guys, look, Tankman is eating long. Okay, they're really very aggressive towards each other because food. Can't they just get their own share? I mean, like... Plus, well, I don't really care if Witty's eating that much because he actually canonically does. But... Okay, Tankman takes the cola. He drinks the... What? Wait, no! No, Witty, rip. Well, I guess that's it. So, bye, y'all.